want to change background or the color on your Wix website. To do it, you want to go to your Wix website editor right here, and then you want to go to your site design at the left of your screen right here. And then after that, you want to go to page background. You want to click on it. And right here, you can just choose any of the image to be your page background. There you go. You can click on any of the image and it will automatically be your background. Or if you want to do it on your custom image, you can just click on this image right here and then choose on upload media and upload from your computer. And then after that, you want to click on the image that you want, for example, this one, and then click on change background. There you go. Your website will automatically change the background itself. Or if you want to change it by the color, you can just go back right here from page background and then choose on color theme. And right here, there are be 4 colors that you can just change. For example, the white one on your color, you want to make it to red, for example, or to green, just like that. Or you can go to advanced setting like here and then choose the color by the primary background, secondary, and so on. You can just customize it. Or you can choose on change color theme right here and choose the theme that you can change. For example, this one. And you can formulate it as you want. And after that, to apply it to another pages, for example, this was my home page, and to make it on my shop page or contact us page, you want to click on this apply to other pages and just choose it all. Or you can just click on all pages. There you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.